If we look down from above, I'm sure we'll spot his iridescent feathers.
Let's look out for Shimmer.
Oh, look, guys! I see something shiny!
Coco, to the left!
Kiki, how did you know the bird was here?
He used to be my dance teacher.
And the mystery solved!
Doggone it!
Hey, clown face! I'm afraid this time I solved the mystery first.
Hey, were you the one that took my tent?
Guilty! I cleared it away. I can't stand it when my stage is messy.
Pete, you took the lead on this one, so this is all your fault!
Why, you? Who's the dodo that gave us the wrong info with her feather log?
Would you two stop?
The culprit that took Molly's tent was the bird of paradise. He cleared up the area to make a clean stage for the ladies. When a female comes to watch him from above, the bird of paradise does a mating dance to win her affections. Unfortunately, another crew solved the case before us. But for the bird of paradise, who cleans his stage every morning and practices his dance over and over, I hope that he meets his mate soon. The mystery is solved!